Just imagine me getting 277 watch hours just in one day, under 24 hours, 277 watch hours. If I'll be able to replicate this particular process for 19 to 20 days, won't I get 4,000 watch hours? The thing is that I keep on telling people the smartest and the easiest way to get your 4,000 watch hours is live. But people are going live, but they are not doing it the right way. If you do it the right way, you are going to get your 4,000 watch hours within the space of 20 or 19 days. Some are getting it for 14 days. Saying that you don't know how to go live the right way. If you follow this particular strategy I'm going to show you now, you are going to get live the right way. The same strategy I applied while going live, you are going to use it. Sometimes you can even get 300 watch hours in one day. Just follow this particular strategy. Let me show you how it works. Okay, let me show you the strategy I used to get this my watch hour that I told you. Then first of all, you are going to log into your YouTube studio, that is studio.youtube.com. Let me go to my browser. Then I will open my YouTube studio. This is my YouTube studio. I'll have to refresh. Then if you want to go live now, you are going to log into your YouTube studio. From here, you can see this arrow here, this particular icon here. This is the icon. This one at the center is live. Once you click this live icon here, it will direct you to live sections where you can now set up your live sections. Right? We are going to do just only one thing here. Here now says connect streaming software to go live. Viewers will be able to find your stream once you go live. Stream setup help. Then what you are going to need here now is the stream key, right? Then over here, look at the stream key here. This is my own stream key. I can reset it. Or if I click on reset, I will basically reset this stream key, right? Can you see that it has resetted? I can now copy this stream key, right? If I copy this stream key now, I will now go back to my phone. This is my phone, right? Then I will go to, if you don't have live now, let me show you. I'm going to my Play Store now. Look at the software, the application I'm using to go live. This is the best application for your watch hour. It is called Live Now. This is Live Now app. Once I click on this Live Now app, you can see it is already installed, right? I will now click open to open it directly from my phone, so that we can now do setups from there. Then this is the interface. We are going live from YouTube, not all these social medias. I'm now going to click on YouTube here, right? If I click on YouTube, it will tell me to log in to YouTube to go live or use stream with stream key. The thing is that most of these third-party apps, it's not always good to log in your YouTube apps. You get? So it's not advisable to log in your YouTube apps. Then YouTube account. I want to use stream key. Look at it here. Stream with stream key. I will now click on stream with stream key, not to log in. Then this is the stream key. I will now wipe off all these things here. You can see YouTube stream key. I will paste it here. The one I copied from my studio, YouTube studio, I will paste it here. This is the stream key. Can you see it now? And over there down says next. I will now click on next. From here it now says stream camera, right? If I click on stream camera, I'm going to record a live event. Then the second one is screen broadcast, for me to show people my screen. For this, now that I'm doing this particular tutorial, I can now basically show people my screen via a live stream, right? But I want to use video so that video will be on loop. That entertainment video will be on loop. People will be rewatching it for over and often and often. I'll just keep my phone and this particular video will be playing while people are enjoying it in my live stream. I will select video, then click next, right? Once you click on next, now to direct you to your phone where you select that particular video you want to use to go live. Make sure that particular video is entertaining so that people will find joy in watching it to the end, right? If you upload use a boring video, nobody will like to watch it. Understand? So for instance, if this particular video is entertainment video, I will basically, let me look for a short clip and let me open this and show you. Right now that I've selected this particular video, I'll now click on start now. Right, you can see that this, okay, good connection success. This is 11 seconds, right? After 11 seconds it's going to pause. Right, you can see that video stream finished. If I start it now, I can basically go over here at the top here and click loop. Understand? I'll click loop here. So when it finishes, it will continue to play again. So I will now keep my phone for like 12 or 24 hours. It will continue to be playing and people continue to be watching it. But if you are using live, which means you have to be there, it will stop you from doing every other thing you are doing. Just use this particular method now, put it on loop and keep your phone while connected to the internet and your battery is fully charged. Then if I go back to my YouTube studio, understand, you can see that this is connecting over here. Excellent connection here. Are you seeing it? Which means the live has connected. Understand, though the internet is a little bit shaking it, but if you check my YouTube handle now, my YouTube interface, you are going to see that that particular video is playing. See the video here, it is playing now. This is live. You can see if you check my YouTube page now, you're going to see that this particular video is playing in my YouTube video. 0 views now. This is charts and every other thing. So if you really want to cut this, you can click on end stream here. Look at the end stream at the top right. I'll click on end stream, end, and stream will stop. Right, you can see stream finished, and the duration is 1 minute 22 seconds. 0 views, peak connections, and all of these things. Total watch time is 00. Right, if you really do it at a longer time, you're going to see that total watch time will be very, very much. So when they now convert it to your watch time, you're going to see something like 300 or 400 watch time, depending on how long people watch that video and depending on how many people that watched and engaged in that particular content. That is how you are going to do it for you to get your normal watch hours.